wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. So for today actually we will cover on the room cleaning for the checkout room. So I will show you the preparation before we do our room cleaning. First of all, what we need is our equipment to cleaning the checkout room. This is a mat trolley which we use to carry all our equipment and also all our linen to cleaning our checkout room. This is our mat trolley. I will show you each rack what is the equipment and item that we put in this mat trolley. We started with the upper rack. For the upper rack, usually we put all the amenities, small amenities that we will replace for the room cleaning. For example, here we have the coffee and tea making facilities, we have the bathroom amenities, and we have bedroom amenities. Then we go into the inside rack, which we put all the bath and also the bed linen for doing our room. So we started from the upper rack, which is we have the bed sheet, and the middle rack we have the bath towel, and the lower racks all the small linen that we use for the bed making and also for the bath cleaning. On the right side we have the we have the garbage bag whereby we put all the garbage inside here, and usually the garbage bag is shorter, it's not reaching the floor of the trolley. So because why? We will put the handy caddy just below our garbage bag. And then on the left side will be the longest bag, which is to reach until the floor of the trolley. This is to put all the dirty linen. For this dirty linen bag area, what we put usually all the chemical and also all the necessary equipment for our room cleaning. Other than our mat trolley, we also need our vacuum to clean up our checkout room. Now I will show you how to park your trolley in front of the guest room that need to be cleaned. Push your trolley like this, and then push your trolley. Before you go inside the room, please make sure you check again the status of the room. Please refer to your room status report. After refer to your room status report, you need to do the procedures of entering the guest room like this. Housekeeping. Knock 3 times and announce housekeeping. Pause a few seconds and knock again and announce housekeeping again. If there is no response from inside the room, you can open the door. Open a little bit of the door and then once again announce housekeeping. Housekeeping. After you announce housekeeping, you may enter the room. After entering the room, you need to use your door stopper to open the door widely, and you need to pull your housekeeping trolley. You go into the room, you need to bring also the fresh linen for doing the bed making. Entering After entering the guest room, what you need to do is put your linen in the clean area and then take your rubbish bin and take out the rubbish bag. Bring the rubbish throughout the room. While collecting your rubbish and trash, make sure that you also remember which amenities has been used by the customer and then you need to replace it. Go in a circle motion. Check the upper side and also the lower side. Check also the corner of the room, whereby this is the usually many trash will be accumulated here. After that, you will reach to the window area. What you need to do in the window area, you need to open the window. In order to air the room. This process remove all the odor for those rooms which don't have any windows or the door, the window is locked or without open it, because usually that kind of room will have the air vent that will remove all odor in the room. Then you need to go around until you reach the bed area. Check everything. Check also in the bedside area, bedside table area. Please look also in the drawer of the bedside area, in drawer in other furniture. Bring your trash bag to the main trolley. Okay, now you need to throw out all the rubbish in the rubbish bag in your trolley. And then what you need to do is to bring back all the amenities in the bed area which has been used by your customer. For example, in this room, the customer have been used the coffee and tea amenities and also the folder in the room. So I will bring all the amenities and replace it while I'm walk into the customer room. After that, we need to do our bed making. Take your clean linen and put in the area that is easy by you to reach it. For example here, I put the clean linen in the side table because it's easy for me to reach while I'm doing my bed making. Before we doing our bed making, we need to pull the bed from the headboard in order it give us a space to do our job. You need to bend down and pull out your bed with the proper posture. If the bed is too heavy, actually you can use your hips to pull the bed away from the headboard like this. Make sure that you have a space enough for you to do the job. Then what you need to do is to strip the linen in the bed one by one. This is a bed spread that we use to cover our bed. So this bed spread should be fold and then put aside to reuse again. Now we need to pull all the bed sheet in here and make sure that you pull it one by one. First layer. this second layer, which is known as a blanket. This also we will use it again for doing the bed making. Put aside. Second layer of bed sheet. Third layer of bed sheet. And also remember to change your pillowcase. Now we will lay the first layer in this bed. Before we laying the first layer, what you need to do is to straighten up your mattress protector and also checking either there is a stain in the mattress or not. If there is a stain in this your mattress protector, you need to change it also. While laying your first layer, you must get also the fresh linen free from any stains. If there is stains in your fresh linen, you need to change it. Now what you need to do, you need to pull your first layer until the ends of the divan, which is the box frames of your mattress. Next, what you need to do is to check the balance of your bed sheets on the right side and on the left side. After that, you need to tuck in your bed sheet inside the bed. You must make sure that while you're tucking your bed sheet, you don't tuck it with this divan skirting. On the left and right side, you need to do the envelope fold. We will do envelope fold like this. And then move the other side and do the same thing. Now, without go anywhere, you will take the second layer and lay in this bed. This time you need to pull your bed sheet until the thickness, following the thickness of your mattress. After that, you need to fold it up. Like this, And after that, you need to lay your blanket. For your blanket, you need to pull until you reach the ends of the second layer, second sheet. Check again, either it's balanced on both sides. If not balanced, you need to make sure that each side is balanced. Now, take your last bed sheet and lay as what we done to our blanket. Pull as what our blanket line. Then you need to fold your second sheet to the blanket and also third layer. Next step, what you need to do is to tuck in all the tuck in your bed sheets and your blanket inside the mattress. While you tuck in your bed sheets and also your blanket, make sure you don't tuck the divan skirting inside too. Do the same thing in the other side. Next, you will move to the foot area. Now, what you need to do is to straighten up layer by layers of your bed sheet. Started from our mattress protector. The first layer, the second layer, the blanket, and our third layer. After straightening it up, you need to tuck everything inside your mattress. Do the envelope fold same as what we done earlier in the foot side of your mattress. Do the same thing in the other side of your mattress. For you to start in everything that is not tucked in your mattress. While touching your bed sheet at the side of the mattress, don't forget to hand iron your bed sheets in order to make your bed sheet nice and tidy. What you will do next will be to bring your dirty linen and put in your trolley bag. Now we will do our bathroom cleaning. Please bring all your equipment for bathroom cleaning, which is we have a handy caddy and also a rag to wipe everything in the bathroom. If your customer use the cup in your coffee and tea making facilities, you need to wash it. Just put inside the basins and run the hot water for your teacup. Usually in the hotel room, we will have our hot and cold water, which will be labeled as a blue and red. Blue represent the cold water, whereby for red represent the hot water. Usually the label will be put here. In the right side usually is for the cold water, and for the left side usually for the hot water. To clean your coffee cup, you need to push to the left side, which is represent the hot water. Keep the water running a while and then just shut it off. Next, take your washing sponge and also your soaps to clean up this coffee cup. Next, what you need to do is to wipe the cup until it's dry. The SOP of cleaning this bathroom area, you will see in this video. Dan selamat sejahtera. So our class today we will talk about our bathroom cleanings. So for the bathroom cleanings, we will need several items first. For example, the handy caddy. This handy caddy is a required equipment for bathroom cleaning. Some of the places call it as a caddy, some of the call it as a handy caddy. Okay, for what inside the handy caddy? What inside the handy caddy? Of course, we want to clean our toilet. We need our toilet brush. Green pad is a must. And other type of brushes. For example, we have steel wool and also our fiber brushes that we use to clean up our toilet. And we also need small brushes like this, small brushes, and then we also need to have our cleaning chemical. Cleaning chemical, for example, we have our air freshener. After we finish up clean up, we must have our air freshener. We have a glass cleaner to wipe all our glasses in the bathroom. And then we need our multi-purpose cleaner. Multi-purpose cleaner is used to scrub everything in the tile or any stains in the toilet.
And the last one, we need our toilet bowl cleaner, which we use to spray in our toilet bowl to remove all the stain in the toilet bowl in our toilet.
So we have 4 different kinds of chemical that we use for our bathroom cleaning. And then besides that, what we need is
this is wiping clothes that we use to wipe your mirror and also other places, furniture. And also this is racks we use for wiping all the excess water in the toilet and also in the area that is wet, not only in the toilet.
The first one is our towel, bath towel. Usually the dimensions of the towel will be 20, 45. This is the regulars, but we have many kinds or many sizes of the bath towel. After that, we will have our bath mat. Okay, the bath mat usually the dimension is 20 to 35 like that, but we also have a lot of sizes for the bath mat. Bath our face towel, this is used to wipe the customer face, and then this is hand towel. Okay, so the dimension is a little bit smaller than our bath mat. Okay, so each of the towel that we have, we will fold it. Okay, there will be a procedure to fold it. It depends in the hotel, but for hotel UiT and Pulau Pinang, we will fold like this. We show you how to fold 4 types of bathroom linens, which is the first one is our making for bath towel. The second one will be our bath mat. The third one we will have our face hand towel, and the last one we will have our face towel. So let's start. Bath towel. Okay, open up your bath towel, lay your bath towel, fold up 1/3 of your bath towel, 1/3 only, 1/3. Okay, and then another 1/3 of the bath towel, and what you do is do the same thing for the right side and the left side of the bath towel. 1/3 and 1/3 of the bath towel. Okay. After that, what you need to do is fold it in half like this. So it will be your bath towel for front, the side, and the back of the bath towel. Okay, you put the side. Okay, we move into our bath mat. Okay, do the same thing as our bath towel. 1/3 of the towel, 1/3 of the towel, 1/3 of the towel, and then we just fold it in half only, like this. Okay. Okay, now we move to our hand towel. Again, we do the same thing. 1/3 of the hand towel, 1/3 of the hand towel, and then just fold in half only. our face towel. We do the same thing, which is 1/3 of the towel, fold it 1/3 of the towel, and then do the same thing 1/3 of the towel, and then 1/3 of the towel. Okay, again 1/3 of the towel, and then 1/3 of the towel. So it will be like this. Okay, that's all for our linen bathroom. Okay guys, now I will show you how to clean our bathroom. First of all, you need all your equipment to do the bathroom cleaning. Put in front of the bathroom door. Number one, when you want to do the bathroom cleaning, the first SOP is to close the lid and flush your toilet. Yeah. Why we need to flush the toilet? First of all, we need to know either the toilet is working or not. If the toilet is not working, the room should be put under 000 room, which is out of order, that it can't be used. After the toilet has been working perfectly, what you need to do is to spray your toilet bowl from outside area to the inside area. Okay, open the lid and then also spray on the lid and on the seat cover. Open up your seat cover, under the seat cover, and then lastly will be inside the toilet bowl. And then close it and let the chemicals react with the stain in your toilet bowl. We will do other things while the chemical have their reaction with the stain in the toilet bowl. You need to collect all the dirty linen and bring to your trolley. After you put all your dirty linen in the trolley, what you do next will be to clean up all the wall of the bathroom. Okay, the first one what you need to do is to take the chemical, take the switchable chemical, you green pad, and then start to spray at the wall and scrub of the wall. Clean if necessary. If there will be no stain, you just wipe dry all your wall. Using your wiping cloth, just wipe all the remaining water in the wall. You will do also around the toilet. As I said earlier, you can do this circle motions, which is clockwise or anti-clockwise from the top to the bottom. Okay, now we will do our countertop area and also our mirror area. We started with our mirror because it is in the top, and then lastly we will go into our vanity counters or our basin area. Take a appropriate chemical, which is the glass cleaner, and also a wiping cloth to do the wiping for your mirror. You can direct spray to the mirror, or you can spray in your wiping clothes. It depends on your company policies or procedure. wiping the mirror in a circular motion like this.
When you do a circular motions, most of the dust in the mirror will be white, and also it's easy for you to remove all the stains that have in the mirror. That will help you to fasten your job for the bathroom cleaning.
After finish with the mirror, what you will do is to wipe all your sponge soap or Benedict water from any excess water which your gas has been used. You also can use a suitable chemical to wiping this Benedict water. Don't forget to also wiping your water tap. This usually made by the finished room, so you need a proper chemical to wipe this water tap. Usually we will use the stainless steel polish to wiping our water tap. After finish wiping everything, you need to refill your amenities. This is the amenities we use in hotel UiTM. Okay, usually for hotel UiTM or most of the hotel, we will have our bathroom tray that we will put everything, all the amenities inside here. For example, we have our conditioner, our bath foam, also our shampoo. Some of the hotel also provided a Yeti. This is the soap, and then we also provided a shower gel.
This is a toothbrush holder that we use to put our toothbrush after we finish brushing.
Setup for the amenities will depend on the hotel properties. For hotel UiTM, it will be set like this. Like this, and then it will be put just in the corner. For the VIP room, we also put a face towel inside here.
The face towel will be set up in the tray like this.
Besides the amenities we have in the vanity counter, we also have other amenities in this area, which is the first one. We will have our sanitary bag. Okay, usually the sanitary bags will be hang out just beside our toilet bowl, and in the other side we will have our toilet roll. This is toilet roll holder, and this is a toilet roll. Usually, when we want to hold up our toilet roll, we will fold the toilet roll end like this. Make it a triangle shape at the end. So your toilet roll will be like this. Put the toilet bowl inside the toilet roll holder. Put your toilet roll, which has been folded like this. For the last one, we will put our bath linen in the correct area. We started with our bath towel. Usually, in hotel room, we will provide a 2 bath towel to our guests. This is our bath towel rack, which we will put our bath towel. take the second towel, which is our hand towel. For hand towel, usually we also provide 2 hand towel to our customer. So we'll be hang hand towel at this towel rack. We will put our bath mat in the bathtub area. Okay. Lastly, what we need to do is to refresh our bathroom by using the air freshener. The step will be you will be spray the air freshener in the upper sides of upper corners of your toilet. You must make sure you don't use too many air freshener, which it may cause some discomfort for the customer. Just spray enough to make sure there is no bad odor in your bathroom. Thank you. Next, what we need to do is to wipe everything in the bedroom area. So, you need your wiping and also your chemical. We will start from the entrance area, clockwise or anti-clockwise of the room, started from the upper side until the bottoms of your furniture. While you're doing your wiping, you need also to remember which part of the amenities have been used by your customer. We will check. In this closet area, usually we will have a certain item. For example, we have a hanger and also our iron board. Make sure it is in the good condition. And then we also have our iron and also a praying mat for the Muslims. This laundry bag will be something that always been put in most of the hotel in the cabinet area. In this area, we will have a coffee, tea making facilities, which is we have our teacup, we have our coffee and tea amenities, and also we have our water heater. Beside that, we also have our mini bulb. When you're wiping, you need to also check your electrical equipment. For example, this television, you need to open it and check the channel one by one. If there is a problem with the channel, you should report to your maintenance as soon as possible. In this writing table area, usually we will have our tissue box, files, and also dustbin. In this bedside table area, usually we will have our communication tool, which is our telephones, and also a notepad. The setup of this area should be follow your hotel house rule. Usually in the door area, we will have a D&D card. This D&D card will be hanged in the doorknob. Some amenities need to be folded correctly. For example, our laundry bag and also our praying mat. So today, I will show you how to fold your praying mat and also your laundry bag as follow your house rules. First, the praying mat. You need to fold it in half and again in half like this. After that, you need to roll it. Okay, make sure when you roll it tight like this. Okay, now we will fold our laundry bag. Usually, for folding the laundry bag, we must make sure that our logo is appear to the guest. Flip it like that. Fold 1/3 of your laundry bag. Do the same thing in the other side. And then flip it until you see the logo of your hotel. You must put it inside, and then same goes for the and same goes to the bottom side. If there is a leftover upper here, you need to fold inside. So you will have these kinds of laundry bag. Now, what you need to do is to vacuum your carpet in the room. We will vacuum the room from the window area to our entrance area. For the window area, you need to close up the net curtain. And then you need to just close a little bit of your night curtain. Will be the last steps of room cleaning for the vacant dirty room, which is we will put air freshener in the room to refreshen the room. Usually, I just spray in the upper corner of the room. You do not spray more than enough for each room because it may discomfort the guest. That will be the procedures of room cleaning. If you have any question, don't hesitate to call me. Thank you.